Yo. Wagwan. Wanna deal it. How's everybody doing today? We're back with another reaction. We are doing Nino Uptown plugged in with Fumez. You know, say anything Fumez touch from with, they are fire. Big up yourself, Fumez the engineer. Big up yourself. Nino Uptown on the first me I listen to one of your song them. First me I react to one of your song them. Big up yourself, me J. We are gonna jump straight into this and see what go on the reaction on the freestyle today. You don't know this thing got badness come down wicked. So I could just jump in it and we are react, so hopefully we pass a lot less. Depends on what he's saying. So let's go.
Fumez engineer, plugged in, you get me? I know it's hard in a place where it's fast for a meal. I know that everything I said to me, this bitch think I was real. Know that I'll never change for a drink. I put my head back in the past, never think.
It seems like there's a lot of auto-tune going on here, so, but it's a vibe. Because in voice like quite squeaky. But it's a vibe. So I could go again. Reading bad. Nino, big up yourself, my G. Or Nino. Wait, call yourself, Nino or Nino? Maybe it's because him have the mask over him face, that's why him sound like that. That's why him face and him nose, so him can't get the proper intake properly, I don't know. But let's see.
I ain't never gonna slow down, do it boy with a choice. Got a hand on the old sound, it's getting old now. Hit shots on the road down. I won't everybody go outside when you go win. Smoking to my eyes and had a thing. Breathing Cali by the pound to figure out sins.
Like I said, we can't break down when I say it properly. But basically, it's what my ear so far sound good. Basically, he must say, yo, him have to win, basically. Like, him out there, I do it. I hustle it. You see me? So, yeah, positive.
I know I'm trying to win. Sure, you told me that it's life that we living by. I know that everything I said is trying to get us right. She won't look at me to smoke away the pain. It's a life that
you know, get me every time with Fumez the engineer, them freestyle Fumez ever enjoy himself. No matter who they in the boat, Fumez always enjoy himself. You see me, the energy always right with Fumez. Fumez big up a friggin' 7G. Guys, that big up my fam.
I know people trying to change how I ride and I spit. Think I'm afraid to see them know that we made for winning. Any little I made it back, I'm made for winning. This saying patience is a virtue. Really sending shots, we go back.
Them say patience is a virtue when them sending shots for you. Let me get that part there.
That will hurt you. Business in my blood, we doing music, I won't serve you. Busy in the night and night, stressing about curfew. Counting down the days until my niggas fresh home. Calling on the next phone, I'm really flying next drones to bring them orders in. Breaking up.
So he must say, yo, I'm counting down the days until my niggas fresh home. So basically, him friend their prison. So basically, he must say, him count down the days until him nigga fresh home. Him calling on the next phone. Something. Like I said, I can't understand everything what I must say, so bear with me, please.
Like it's porcelain, my niggas still on talking on all the wings. Hey, stay inside the bag. I know you gotta get back. See the whip, always getting past. I ain't coming back for seconds, but I've never lost.
I ain't coming back for second, but I never lost. Let me try to break them that now. I ain't coming back for second, so basically every time him go, him win. That's how I must say. Every time him make an attempt at something, him win it. So him have to come back for second because him never lose. Get it? Get it.
Hey, sure you say we lit. Play the ball, you know I'm down for an assist. I ain't never going broke for a bitch. Who go roll with a snitch. Hey, trials that we live by.
I ain't never going broke for a bitch. I rolling with a snitch. That's what I tell you. Say, listen, no matter what, him money come first. What he's doing, him also come first. Him not gonna go broke for a bitch. Cause you have some man That way, they on them hustle and them meet a girl and come off of them hustle and in a house, cock up, I watch TV. I watch Countdown, I watch whatever come from British TV. Them in a house, I watch it. In a box of shorts and socks. The boss said, no, I will not be doing that. I will not be doing that. I will be focusing on what I need to be doing to reach to my goal. Money over B. Money over bitches. MOB. That's what the boss said, not me. You see me? Big up yourself. Wait, what? Oh, you say yourself? Oh, you say yourself? Oh, you say your name? Nino? Nino? Because at the start, I call it Nino. Nino? Nino? I don't know. Explain in the comment section there.
Hey, sure you say we live. Play the ball, you know I'm down for an assist. I ain't never gone broke for a bitch who go roll with a snitch. Hey, trials that we live by. Smoke away the pain, it's a life that we live.
Smoke away the pain, that's the life that we live. So basically, when him I go through him pain and him rough times, him just smoke away the pain and I just bust a one drink, you don't know. And him feel nice in the moment, you understand? But remember say, when that is gone, because when you smoke you get high. When you come back down, that gone, you know. So you have to bear that in mind. So the pain the stress will always be there when you're sober up again. You see me? But yeah, that is just a way how him deal with him I deal with still.
People trying to change how I ride and I spit. Think I'm afraid of sinning. Know that we made for winning. Any little I made it back, I'm made for winning.
Him say people try to change the way how him write and how him spit. Brother, do you? Fuck people. Do you? You was put here for a reason, bro. You was put in the music business for a reason. Be you. Be yourself. Don't try to please nobody, dog. As long as you is happy with whatever you do that, my fam. You see me? Don't try to please nobody. You see me? Yeah, fuck them. Fuck them, bro.
Fumez, the engineer.
Beat, a Vinny. Beat composer Vinny, big up yourself. Yeah, Fumez, big up yourself. Fumez always been that guy where I found with some mad freestyle and some mad. You see me? Yo, Fumez, big up yourself, my G. Can't stop big you up. So guys, it's a short video. This is how I'm gonna end the one here. So if you enjoy, I want to see more. Please subscribe if you're new around here. Please drop a like on the video. Nino, whatever you call yourself, my G. Big up yourself. You see me? And I hope somebody can give me the correct pronunciation of your name if I get it wrong in the comment section. You see me? But yeah, big up yourself, my fam. And Fumez, big up your damn self to me, G. And outside, and the girl them outside.